See what we got. So basically we're expanding upon our Rapid. This is the original Rapid. You see they had all the original logos on the space bar and everything like that. So we got a lot of feedback that it had a little too many logos. So our original version that's already been pushed into the market, where we removed a lot of that, so it's got more of a professional look. The only logo left that's actually the CM Storm logo is on the front, the top part here. So in that aspect, that was one thing that we listened to our users on. Moving into, what even further feedback that we took was everyone wanted a black bezel, because our original red switch keyboard, which is here, had the black bezel with the red accented steel plate. That was really well received, so we wanted to expand upon that even further, and we've created our stealth model, which is from the top completely blank. So it looks really cool. It gives it a really unique layout, especially if there's no other TK out there that has the red accented plate for the red switch with the stealth layout. So then you have the front printed keycaps. What that also does is it increases the longevity of the keycaps themselves, due to there's not any oil or anything like that from your fingers actually touching the laser printed keycaps. So increases the longevity. Another added feature that we did with the Rapid, with the stealth version, is we allow the user to toggle the repeat rate. So that's over PS2, which gives you the in-key rollover feature, which is really important for the gamers. But they can also toggle the repeat rate itself. So this is a wonderful design, because not only does it complement what the gamers want, but you can actually use it in a more professional setting. It doesn't have that gamer look. The only logo itself is still on the front top here. And so we wanted to expand upon the Rapid because it is our best selling, and we made its bigger brother over here, which is the XT, right behind you. So the XT is also going to be a Cherry MX switch keyboard. As you see here, this is the standard edition, so it's going to have the top printed, but we will have a stealth version as well, which will be the front printed keycaps. Some new feature sets on this is it also has the repeat rate feature added in, which you can toggle over here. But the nicest thing about this board itself, it's going to have the Co-Star stabilizers, which are really liked by the mechanical enthusiasts. But the bezel itself is the thinnest bezel of any mechanical keyboard, encompassing the Cherry MX switches on a steel-plated mount. So this is going to be a new board from us that'll be out in about 2 months with a price tag of about $89.99. Oh, wow. So really competitive price point, thinnest bezel with a huge feature set. The in-key rollover with the repeat rate feature, as well as a very elegant look, all plug and play. And another thing that we changed from the original Rapid series is we went with a full USB connector. So you're going to have a longevity, you're going to have a lot more longevity built into the connector itself, which still gives you the ability to remove the cord, but without any of the concern of actually removing that connector, which a lot of other boards suffer from.
But it does ship with a cord itself.
Absolutely, it ships with a cord. It's just removable for your own convenience.
Perfect.
And then Rajiv over here will walk you through a couple of other new
My name is
products.
Rajiv Katari, and I want to show you the middle brother, the middle child of our mechanical keyboard series. So Carter showed you the Rapid, which has a very small, compact form factor, and then he showed you the XT, which puts it in a full keyboard side. Now what those lack is actually full backlighting, which was what this one has. And not only that, we've kept the smaller form factor by consolidating the navigation keys with the 6-key command prompt, and creating a unique numpad block. So it retains full functionality while giving you all the benefits of a gaming mechanical keyboard on the go. And this particular model is actually using our brown switches here. So the unique selling feature of Cooler Master mechanical keyboards is that we provide the full range of switches. We don't try to pigeonhole you into just one switch type. We believe that every user has their own unique feel and their own needs, and our selling, again, we're going to really focus on that and work on a lot of product education for that. This is our custom mod here, a nice sky blue themed to match with our nice white peripherals. This is our white Sonus. We currently sell the Sonus in a gray, darkish gray, and we're getting feedback from our customers on the white design. So, your readers can let us know what they think on that. Post on comments. We definitely will read those. This is our Recon Mouse. We're currently selling this, an ambidextrous mouse, gaming mouse. So 2 buttons here, 2 buttons here, mouse wheel. You can customize all the buttons here, get the most out of it. This is our Scorpion peripheral. A lot of people do like this. We find that it's a great mouse bungee, keeps things out of the way. Normally you might not see all these on a lot of desktop solutions, but we see a lot of gaming laptops using this. Finding it, getting the mouse cord out of the way, using a wireless, using a wired mouse rather than a wireless mouse, keeping everything nice and neat, and it actually disassembles to keep that small form while also retaining full functionality. And as I mentioned before, one of the big things about Cooler Master is that, and our CM Storm brand, is that we provide options. And we are the first to bring the green key switch types to a bigger audience. We have the full channel capabilities to bring this to all users. Right now we've been putting it on our CM Storm line, our CM Store online, and getting great feedback, selling very well. Have you guys ever used the green switch before?
No, I've heard about it. I heard clear and green, but I heard it's a little bit like black, or?
Yeah, it is more like blue, so it's very similar to blue. It has the clicky,
tactile, yeah.
It has the very clicky tactile feel, but a little bit more resistance. After using greens, I can't go back to any other type. I fully am all about the greens.
So it's more than 80 Gs, higher than 80 Gs for pressure.
It's a little bit higher, I believe. I'll get you the exact number on that. But normally you find green switches used on space bars for a lot of the mechanical keys. Yeah.
So this is all greens.
All greens, yes.
Yeah, the same.
Yes.
And this is essentially I forget, is it the Pro or the CM Storm?
Oh, sorry, this is the trigger. So this one has
trigger.
unique macro buttons on here. We have a full software suite that allows you to customize these macros. Very gaming oriented. Definitely a popular model that you'll see a lot of people using. And this is the Recon, as I showed you before, normally in white, is now in black. And that's all connected to, all these green peripherals are connected to our green money machine, which we're looking as good luck in Vegas. It's a unique mod that we got. Actually, he's got all the money on all the video cards. And it's very,
even
even the hoses, yeah. So that's our green machine. And then, keeping with the green theme, we have our Secret of the Use station over here. And we're showing our aluminum mechanical keyboard. So the unique selling feature of this product is that it's fully customizable. So we're going to have a software suite that allows full customization, again, of the macro keys, giving you a lot of opportunity. But on the hardware level, you can actually remove these plates with a special tool that we include and create your own customized keyboard. And so for gaming teams, game developers looking at something unique, they can create that and put it on there. Same with our headset. Customization is key here. We can actually remove the microphone, and you can remove the two plates here and customize it as you see fit. So this is something that we're showcasing at CES.
And when you can also remove the plate itself here. Right?
Correct. Yes.
Replace it with your own plate.
Yeah. If you just wanted to remove the plate and just keep it like a nice, and this is using the blue. You'll notice in the back plate here, the blue back plate. So this is blue keys. Has that clicky feel. A lot lighter than the greens. And then finally our mouse here with an extra attack buttons, fully programmable, and this portion will be removable and customizable.
It's got an aluminum pad here as well.
Yes, and this is an aluminum mouse pad. Don't have a lot of details on this. I just got it today, so but it should be part of the whole set. So we're really doing matching that. We also have a case coming out that'll have a handle on it, so you can actually latch on the handle to it. Cool. And another unique thing about this is that this uses USB 3.0. So it has a USB 3.0 hub. So
you don't need an extra connector for the providing the hub, yeah.
Yeah. So that
and it has, I see, an audio pass through.
It does. It does have an audio pass through. So you find that also on our trigger. Our trigger also has a USB 2.0 pass through, but the aluminum series will have a USB 3.0.
Thank you. So it is called Aluminum Series, or is it going to be?
We don't have the final name yet. Right now, is MEC is the code name. But we'll have something more concrete as we launch.
So expected launch Q1, Q2, or a little bit later?
A little bit later.
A little bit later. Okay, that's something to look forward to. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Great. All right. Thank you guys, and share your comments. We'll definitely be reading. And
hello, High Tech Legion.
Woohoo!
Thank you.